Clean and Decent, a book written by British author Lawrence Wright, profoundly traces the evolution of human hygiene and cleanliness habits, and how this evolution reflects the changes in society, culture, and technology. The book first traces back to the initial human living patterns, revealing how the earliest cleaning habits gradually formed with the beginning of human settlement. In ancient Egyptian civilization, cleanliness and purification were not only a part of daily life but also closely related to religious beliefs and social status. In Egypt, river water was viewed as the source of sanctity. The Nile River served not only as a necessity of life, but it was also a crucial pathway for purifying body and soul. Public baths were places not only for cleanliness but also for social activities and religious rites. For instance, before executing religious rites, pharaohs and priests would engage in ceremonial baths to purify their bodies and minds, reflecting the importance of cleanliness in religious practices. The perspective on cleanliness in ancient Greek civilization closely correlated with their appreciation for physical beauty and health. In Greece, gymnasiums and public baths were not only venues for physical exercise and cleanliness, but they were also central to social interaction and cultural exchange. These facilities became an integral part of city life, displaying the Greeks' emphasis on physical aesthetics and public living spaces. Athletes, after competition and training in stadiums, would bathe, which was not only for cleanliness but also for social interaction, strengthening mutual connections and respect. Beyond Egypt and Greece, other ancient civilizations like the Roman Empire also placed high importance on public hygiene facilities. The Roman public baths, or thermae, provided not just cleaning services, but also encompassed libraries, lecture halls, and sports facilities, becoming hubs for social and cultural activities. Romans exhibited their advanced notions of urban planning and public health through these facilities. However, with the onset of the Middle Ages, religious reasons led to the reduction of European public baths, resulting in a period of hygienic negligence. The leadership in most areas of medieval Europe was dominated by Christianity. Some sects believed that spiritual purity was more important than physical cleanliness, and excessive care for personal hygiene was even seen as an indication of debauchery and vanity. Public baths, due to their nature as social venues, were considered symbols of sin by some religious leaders, leading to a gradual decrease and even closure of these facilities. Societal structural changes also contributed to this trend. The urbanization process in the Middle Ages accelerated, and as cities became more densely populated, hygiene conditions increasingly alarmed. Many cities lacked effective waste and sewage systems, resulting in disease spread. Economic conditions and technological capabilities also exacerbated this trend. In medieval Europe, most of the population were peasants living with hardships, lacking sufficient resources and knowledge to pay attention to personal hygiene. The demands for cleanliness starkly contrasted with the worsening environment. The hygiene conditions during this period produced numerous impacts on society, particularly concerning public health and medical diseases. For instance, the bubonic plague or Black Death during the late Middle Ages spread in such conditions, leading to a long-term population decline in Europe. However, during the Renaissance, with the rise of science and humanist thought, people began re-evaluating public health matters. Technological advancements also made cleanliness more feasible, such as improved hydraulic systems which aided in enhancing urban sanitary conditions. The focus on personal cleanliness also gradually returned. Social class and gender roles also played crucial roles in the perception of cleanliness. In the Victorian era, which is the reign of Queen Victoria in England from 1837 to 1901, Britain underwent the rise of industrial revolution leading to massive societal changes. Cleanliness took on symbolic meanings for morality and social status, especially for women. The cleanliness standard during this period epitomizes the close association between social class and cleanliness, while highlighting the importance of cleanliness as cultural expression and social identification. Through such an in-depth journey through time, Clean and Decent not only presents the evolution of cleaning habits, but also reveals how this evolution reflects human societal changes. This is not solely a tracing of history, but a deep pondering on human culture, values, and lifestyle. This work provides us with a window into human nature, presenting the diversity, complexity, and constantly evolving nature of human societies through cleanliness, a seemingly simple and universal behavior.